Ooh, okay, it's finally here, man. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's time to get into some Android content, all right? Trying to switch it up a little bit. Don't worry, I got y'all. We still going to be talking about these iPhone accessories, all right? So, fresh off the FedEx truck, man, you know when you always waiting for packages, the one truck that you're waiting on always seem to come last, but we finally got up in here, man. 256 gigabyte Burgundy S22 Ultra straight unlocked from Samsung. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go ahead and rip this open real quick. Can't make too much noise because my little man is asleep, so I got to make sure I do this real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and take it up out the box right here, and let's put that over here. You don't want to see that box, but all right, so let's put it off. Now, I'm hyped to see this color because I have not been in Best Buy. I know a lot of people go to Best Buy to actually look at the color itself, so you're going to get the real raw reaction of me and this color right here. And this color, let me unpeel it. Yeah, I made the right choice with this burgundy, man. This burgundy color right here is absolutely fire, and I am hype about my decision to go with this burgundy. All right, so very nice looking color. Hopefully it comes across on camera. I think this is the exact color that is coming across on camera. I know a lot of people say that the burgundy, you really can't see it on camera, but I beg to differ. I'm looking at the camera and this is the exact color that this bad boy has. And as you can see, you got those crazy looking camera bumps, which I like them. I think they're a pretty nice little touch, man. And then you got the borders that's going around, which is the same exact color of the phone. I think this is a very nice look right here. And there you go with that big 6.8 inch. And here it is, what everybody has been talking about, the S Pen on an S device. Yo, I'm excited for this right here. I cannot wait to pop my main SIM card in here. The SIM card will be going out of the iPhone and going straight into this S22 Ultra just as soon as this video is over. And we about to hit plenty and plenty of videos on this bad boy right here, all right? We wasted no time, but just take a look at it. Once again, if you're thinking about getting this, I just basically did this quick video to let you know that the S22 Ultra is coming. And so a lot of you out there, if you want to see the actual burgundy color itself, and let me kind of peel off the front display so you can see that as well. And let's see if we can take some of this tape off that goes all the way around it. I know this thing has some tape on it. And let's see if we can begin to peel it off. All right, so let's peel that top tape off so you can see that edge right there. And then let's grab this. No easy way to do it. Just try to hit every little tab, every little area that you can get. And I just want to do this so you can see the whole phone and no type of plastic or anything like that on the actual side. So I think this is the last piece of plastic. Seems like it's really easy. There we go. All right, that's no plastic. God, these Samsung plastic all over this thing. All right, now that's all the plastic there. So here's that top side. If you want to check it out, here is those sides. Very, very smooth, man. Look at that bottom down here by that S Pen. You get that Type-C port. Everything looks good there. And on that other side right here with the power button and volume up and down, no crazy dedicated Bixby button. You gotta love it when it comes to it. So let's just go ahead and power it on real quick. I'm gonna actually set it up and do everything like that off camera. This right here is a straight unboxing, so you can just check it out. But yeah, let's get that camera right there. Let me get up close on those cameras so you can kind of see what's going on with this. When that light hits that burgundy, yeah, Samsung definitely did their thing. This thing legit looks like a deep wine color, and I am absolutely here for it. So turn this bad boy on, man. It feels good to get back to a big device because y'all know I'm rocking with the 13 Pro. And although I love my 13 Pro, this is what I'm talking about big phone devices, big screen, and where you can actually utilize the screen size. We already know when it comes to iPhone 13, you can't do nothing with that screen size, man, but not when it comes to this S22 Ultra. So yeah, like I said, we'll pop my SIM card in here. We'll get this thing set up, man. And you already know we got plenty of accessories coming for this S22 Ultra. This was just a quick video so you can show you the unboxing, show you the color of the burgundy, and also introduce you to, for people who might be just joining the channel for the first time, that, yeah, we got an S22 Ultra coming, man. And we getting deep into this bad boy right here. So go ahead and get used to it. S22 Ultra content. Be ready to flood your timeline starting to next week to a couple weeks carrying on, man. It's going to be a bunch of S22 Ultra videos. But here it is, man. Burgundy Unlocked 256 S22 Ultra is in the house. Getting into this bad boy away. So one more look. Once again, I know people like to see these unboxings so they can see the actual color of the device. So I just want to make sure you guys can see it. Popping that S Pen out, as you can see, the black S Pen to match that burgundy with the tip of it being actual burgundy. Very nice touch right there. So yeah, we out, man. Make sure you do all the YouTube things. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, but definitely make sure you turn that bell on so you don't miss all of the videos that I got planned out for this S22 Ultra. But until next time, man, everyone, please be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.